So how do you change the iPhone calendar notification sound? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and that way you're not going to miss anything. So naturally, we're going to go to the settings app of the iPhone, and from the toggles or menus, go to the sounds and haptics, and you can change some of the different things for plenty of different like areas like text tone and ringtone and whatever, but you also have the calendar alerts. So you can see that you can tap on it, choose it from the alert tones which you have in here, or you can even pick one of your ringtones below, right? So you can choose something very specific. Obviously, you can explore the tune store and purchase some of the like tones. It still works that way, but as I quickly mentioned, you can use it with your ringtones. And in iOS 26, you even have the ability to choose any MP3 files to be your ringtone, right? So if you have like an MP3 file saved in your Files app, like this, you can hold down on it and click on the share button, and this will allow you to select it and use it as a ringtone, right? So you literally have that button. So you can set it up for your ringtone, and then it's going to appear in your calendar alerts. So that way you can select literally any sound for your calendar notification on the iPhone. So I quickly wanted to explain it all to you, so let me know what you think below. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and that way you're not going to miss anything important in the future. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.